Now, I have to admit there's a lot going on in this question. At the end of the day, we want to know how much we have to pay. Well, that's a question of money, and money shows up here. It's $6 for each 24-ounce package of chicken wings. Okay, so I guess that means I need to know how many 24-ounce packages I need, which means I need to figure out how much chicken I need to order. Okay, well the first thing I want to do is figure out how many pounds I'm going to have to order. And I know I'm getting 0.3 pounds per person, which I can write like this, and that there's 60 people. So I'm going to multiply by 60 people. Well, person, people, same thing, I'm going to cancel out. So I have 60 times 0.3, and the only unit left is pounds. And this works out to 18 pounds. Okay, so I need to buy 18 pounds of chicken. How many ounces is that? It looks like I need to convert to ounces to figure out how many of these packages I have to buy. Well, I'm going to multiply by my conversion factor, which is going to be 16 ounces divided by 1 pound. Again, my units cancel. I'm left with 18 times 16 ounces. Plug that into my calculator and I find that I need 288 ounces of chicken wings. And I should point out that normally I would be doing this all on separate lines, and that's how you should be doing it in your book. I just want to make sure this all stays on the same page, so I'm being a little bit sloppier than I normally should be. So we need 288 ounces of chicken. How many packages is that? Well, I could just think of this as dividing 288 by 24, and that would give me the answer. But as long as we're thinking in terms of conversion factors, I want to write it like this: times 1 package over 24 ounces of chicken. And again, units cancel, ounces of chicken go away. But now I have to multiply by 1 over 24, which again is just like dividing by 24. And the unit I have left is package, so I get 12 packages of chicken. Now how much do I have to pay? Well, it's $6 per package. I can even think of that as being a conversion factor. Package cancels, and I'm left with $72. And that's the answer you should have gotten. And if you didn't, believe me, I understand. There was a lot going on here. I would rewatch this video and see if you can make sense of all of the different uses of conversion factors, because there were a ton in here. Once you can get to the point where you can answer this question without seeing the solution video, well, you're good to go.